Communications, if I have spoken to Mr. Matlala on the phone, I think it will be less than 3 times. I wasn't really interacting with Matlala. I never was used to talk to him regularly. It's not a kind of a person I was talking to.
Okay, so there might be an explanation for that, and witness F testified about this. If I could just take you to what he said, and it's his transcript from 4 February.
Which file, Ms. Asu?
I'll tell you in a moment, Commissioner.
The transcript's in 10A.
It's 10A.
Yeah.
The 4 February transcript starts at page 219. And 219, and the page I'd like you to go to is page 230.
I'm not sure if I'm at the right page, but it says it start witness F. I would not know, Commissioner.
That's the correct page. So the line is, well, just for context, let me say this is when witness F says that he had also arrived at your office at that meeting with Mr. Matlala. And if you go to line 20, witness F says, on my arrival to General Sabia's office, I delivered Mr. Matlala. Then General Sabia said to me, because most of the times his phone is off or silent, he might be in the meetings or parliament. Does Mr. Kat Matlala mind to communicate with him via me if he does not have a problem with that, for in case or when he does not find him on his phone? And he goes on to say he didn't have any problem with that. Do you see that?
Yes, I see.
And
Can I comment on it?
yes, just before you comment on it, and I want to take you to one other reference. It's on the same.
Ms. Hassim, our experience is that the General has said he prefers to comment as and when an issue is touched on, because it derails him if several issues are touched on, and then he's required to comment right at the end. Perhaps let's let the General comment now.
Thanks. Chair, it's the same issue.
Yes.
It's not a different issue.
Yes.
But maybe I can just, instead of taking time going to the page of the transcript, if I can just say what it is. It's the same issue.
Yeah.
And if you can respond to both at the same time, because it's about the communications between you and Mr. Matlala via witness F. And what witness F said in response to this question by Advocate Chaskelson, who asked how frequent was it for Mr. Matlala and General Sabia to meet, witness F said, I would not know exactly, but I would know that Mr. Matlala would send me messages vis-a-vis General Sabia would send messages that tell Kat or Kat tell General Sabia, meaning he was passing messages between what he says is Kat, Mr. Matlala. He says messages between Kat to you, and you would say pass a message to Kat. So those are the two parts of the evidence. Same issue, that witness F is the go-between between you and Mr. Matlala. You can comment on that now.
Now, my office is structured. I've got administration, I've got a messenger, I've got a PA, I've got a staff officer. And when there is someone down there and they call, one of them will be the one to go and fetch Mr. Matlala, of which that was the case. He was fetched by one of the ladies in the office. Immediately after the meeting, they went and they took him out, but he went to a certain brigadier. I don't know which brigadier, because apparently there's Brigadier Glenda Bokaba, and there is also Brigadier, the lady was testifying. I don't know where she's based, but they say, my PA says, no, I went to fetch him, and then I took him, after the meeting, I took him there. So what Mr. Matlala, what Mr. or Witness F is saying, I don't agree with it, because remember, Witness F is not an administrator, it's an operational member. It is not sitting in office waiting to be called to go fetch someone. It's mostly not even in the office. Now, bearing in mind, at the back of our mind, the relationship between Mr. Matlala and Witness F. Should it happen that Mr. Matlala contacted Witness F and say, I will be coming to see General Sibia, will you be in the office and everything? That's their discussion. But from where I'm sitting, one thing that I wanted these commissioners to know is that I was a very active head of detective, going with the national commissioner, engaging in meetings with the national commissioner and other senior officials, wherever they were on a daily basis, in such a way. The point I'm trying to drive home is that my office was running as professional as possible, not friendship and Matlala is coming, go fetch Matlala for me, they know. When they came and then they go to the security reports and say, there is Mr. So-and-so here, one of the ladies will, and then they will ask me and say, are you aware, are you waiting for so-and-so? So I say, yes, and they say, okay, we're going to fetch him down there. And that's what happened.
So now I accept that. I'm asking about your continued interaction with Mr. Matlala. What Witness F says is that he would pass messages between you and Mr. Matlala. That's the aspect that I'm probing.
If he shows you those messages, I will be happy to say these are the messages that I was passing between me and Mr. Matlala. I know in some instances he did say, okay, this is what I received, this is what I forwarded, or this is what I said, I received this is what I said. But I can safely say I would not pass messages to Witness F and say, like on a day like that one where he's to be fetched from there to come and see me. So there was no frequent communication with Mr. Matlala. It would happen where we did speak. It happened because I made it a point not to be too close to him, because I wasn't it was the beginning of knowing him as well.
Okay.
Just to make sure I understand, General. So are you saying that it is not true that in December 2024, you called Witness 23 or 24 December 2023, you called Witness F to your office and asked him to fetch someone who was downstairs. Are you saying that did not happen?
That did not happen. And my secretary, my PA can come actually attest to that.
And so you deny that that person was Mr. Matlala, obviously, if you say you never made the request to Witness F.
Yes.
And you also deny that you then asked Witness F to be the go-between you and Mr. Matlala. You never made any such request to Witness F.
I never made any such request for him to be the go-in-between.
Yes.
Whilst I'm not denying the fact that sometimes I might have communicated something where you find that it is between me and either with Mr. Matlala, it will happen.
All right. No, I just wanted to make sure so that I in my mind, I don't proceed on the basis of what appeared to be a general point that you were making. I wanted to be sure of the specifics. Thank you, General.
Thank you, General.
Can I just clarify something? General, still on that page, was there an occasion when you met Mr. Matlala for the first time? that you, witness F, and Mr. Matlala were in your office at the same time, all three of you?
Not at all.
So when witness F says, on my arrival to General Sibia's office, I delivered Mr. Matlala, then General Sibia said to me, I'm reading from line 20 on 2:30, that never happened.
That never happened.
He's not being truthful when he says the three of you were in the office together and you gave him this instruction.
From where I'm sitting at the chair.
Thank you.
General, you say that your office is structured, you have a PA, and you have all of those people. They are the ones that would welcome your visitors or bring your visitors. With that, are you saying there's never been any circumstance where witness F has been involved with people coming or being brought to your office? Do you make that kind of a general statement? It's never happened.
Where witness effort to go fetch someone for me?
Yes.
No,
Or would bring someone to you?
No, witness never was never in my office, was not working in my office.
Okay. Thank you.
Lastly, at least on this issue, so on the day that you admit you actually met Mr. Matlala in connection with the contract, when he came to make a complaint or lodge a complaint with you, who brought him to your office? Do you remember?
My PA.
Thank you. Thanks, Ms. Hassim.
Thank you. Well, let's go through some of those interactions then. I just want to begin with this topic that you've already touched on, and it's that of impalas that were delivered to your home. Do you recall impalas being delivered to your home?
I've never had impalas delivered to my home.
Have you had impalas being delivered to any of your properties?
I have had, when I bought my property 9 years ago, Chair, when I bought my property 9 years ago, the previous owner, who was my next door neighbor, who said to me, I would like to have my kids next to me, and would you mind if I buy you out? I said, in any event, I want actually a plot because I like the farm life than this ones. So he says, okay, we agreed on an amount. Then he said to me, on a Sunday, he said, can you and your wife come, let me go show you something that I have. He has. And he took us there, and I saw a nice plot with animals. Those, it was the water bugs, different type of animals, emus. There were two, and there were sheep. He said, I'll leave this with you because they rounded in the price.
Where was this exactly?
In Mnandi, in Centurion, near Copperleaf.
And when was this exactly?
9 years ago, I was already fired by the police, and when they gave me money, I bought that place. That's what happened. Now, I procured that place, as I bought that place, purchased that place, what I found it with some animals in them. And I carried on with the animals, but let me not go deep. I'll explain as time goes on. But impalas were never delivered in my office, other than whatever that I bought myself. I was buying gradually because I went and bought a whole number of other. I went and bought sheep, goats, and added with some of the. I think I bought something like 4 or 6 impalas at that time. They were bought by my gardener at that time was a guy who used to work for me, and then he was a Zimbabwean. The police will know about him in Oliver and Old Bosch. Will know about that guy because at some point he fought with his girlfriend and then they were looking for him, he ran away. But at that time, he was my gardener at that time. He was the one taking my kids to school as well, and then he was a driver as well. So whatever that I needed, I sent him around. So that is what happened. So I had a number of animals in the place.
Okay, but that was, you say, about 2017?
Yeah, 2017, 18 years.
Okay. All right, so let's go to the WhatsApp bundle. And I'd like to take you to the conversation on, that begins at page 108.
That was held that says, maybe in terms of the admissibility of this or not, or if the council says no, it's not part like General Sintumula's statement, compliance. So there was those such small discussions that I want to check before I respond. I am about to respond. I just want to check if there's nothing that I should be waiting maybe to take legal advice on.
Ms. Killian, I'm not sure that I follow the point that the general is raising, but can you please assist?
It can sound confusing. There was a discussion between myself and the evidence leader pertaining to a supplementary affidavit filed in response to General Sintamuli's affidavit. At the start of the evidence, it was placed on record where this unsigned affidavit or statement, as it is now, is in the files, and I think that's what he's referring to, whether it's already before you or not. He's trying to ascertain whether he could refer
That's
to it.
the general statement that Ms. Hassim referred to this morning.
That is what he is trying to locate.
Yes.
And why I'm asking, Chair, is because of once we begin to talk about General Sintumula's statement, it was more about the impalas, and then I'm also being asked now in the topic that discusses that. So I wanted to just check the exact position, but I don't have a problem to respond. I'll respond. I just wanted to clarify that.
General, I think, Ms. Hassim, do you wish to respond?
To the extent that I understand the question, General Sintumule submitted an affidavit that was admitted into the record on, I believe, Friday morning. We received it then. We made it available immediately to the witness and his legal team. They consulted over the weekend and they provided a statement partly in response to General Sentumule's statement, which I've handed in as part of the record for today. So everything is admitted and part of our record, and we can certainly go to that statement if the General wishes to go to his statement in answering the question.
Am I correct that right at the beginning, the General confirmed the content of that statement?
That's correct. I did ask the
Yes,
witness to
yes.
confirm the correctness of his
And
statement, and he did so.
the General did so.
And he obviously
Yes.
remains under oath, yes.
Yes. General, I'm not sure that an issue arises out of this because you have confirmed the statement, indeed the content of the statement. So no issue should arise. It's a statement before us just like any other.
I'm satisfied.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so we were looking at...
Are you at page 108 now, General?
I'm on my guards, Chair, so...
So,
the
General,
conversation
those are the
level
files
is,
I
forgot
File
to
7 of
focus.
10. File
I'm
7
moving my
of 10.
safety belt.
Those are the three files that we'd be using the most today.
Sorry. Thank you very much. It's helpful.
Okay, so what we're looking at is the 21st of March, 2021. And this is a conversation, for context, this is a WhatsApp conversation between witness F and Mr. Matlala, who saved on his phone on this chat as cat security. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so on the 21st of March, if we pick it up from 6:47 a.m.
Ms. Hassim, the chats are actually numbered. If you look at the top, it's 1, then all the way down to 8. It's easier to find them if you refer to those chat numbers.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Chair. I'll do so.
Mr. Sim, maybe if I may add to that, perhaps it would help the general in particular if you explain the different sides of,
Yes,
of this,
I'm
because this is
coming
the
to
first
that.
time that he
Yeah.
looks at this, with us at least.
Absolutely. So 6:47 a.m. is chat number 3. I just want to know that you see chat number 3.
Chat number 3.
Yes.
The numbering is on the
It's
Yes,
on the
I
left-hand
see.
side.
left-hand side.
I follow
Yes.
it,
You
Chair.
see that? Okay,
Thank
so
you. Thank you.
it goes sequentially, number 3, number 4, number 5. So number 3 is at 6:47. And what we see is a blank box, and underneath it, it says catch security. You see that?
Yes.
In these chats, as they are depicted here, where there's a blank box, it indicates a call, a voice call. Where it's in gray, it's a call that's being made, it's a call that is incoming to witness F. And where there are chats in green, those originate from witness F. So just to explain that, do you follow what I'm saying?
I'm not so familiar with this, but I do follow messages as I read. The only thing that I wanted to just raise, Chair, is that obviously these are, what is the right word to use? They were handpicked, put together for the purpose of maybe me. Because remember that, Chair, when we talk about in my cell phone, I chat with a lot of people. But now they took that one, and then they make them follow one another like this. Now for me to sit here and accept a chat that says, okay, do you see this chat? Followed by this chat. I don't know in between the chat who else he was talking to, but all I can see, I see where, okay, there is CAT security services, and then there's this one, then there is that one, but it's not how they are in the phone itself. So I will go along with that, but I'm raising it as a concern, Chair, before you, Chair, because the bottom line is that if we were given the whole phone or the whole thing the way it was, it would make everyone's life easy.
General, I'm not a tech-savvy person, but here's my understanding. If on my phone I have you as a contact and we're both on WhatsApp, when I search for you and I find you on WhatsApp, the chats that will be there will be chats only between you and me. That won't include chats with Commissioner Baloyi and chats with Commissioner Kumalo and so on. So it will just be those chats only.
Okay, Chair.
Is that not your understanding as well? Because if you had me as a contact on your end, you search for me, and I'm sure that all that you would find would be chats between the two of us. There wouldn't be any interpositioning of chats from other people. It would just be the two of us.
I take it, Chair.
Yeah, thank you.
And if I could just add to that, Chair, that the full chats that are relevant to the witness were provided, not just a few pages of the chats. The whole stream was provided. We, however, are only going to the parts that we have questions about, but the full set was provided.
Yes. Now, I think you had asked a question already or not?
Well, I just wanted to
Or you were
establish
just
first
drawing, yes, all right.
that whether the witness can see that, well, one, I'm explaining to you that where it's a gray blank box, it's a voice call. And where it's green, it's by witness F, and gray, it's by the person with whom he's communicating. Okay?
But on the left-hand side, I see is gray. On the right-hand side, I see there is those green,
Yes.
yes.
So the right-hand side, green, is witness F. Left-hand side, gray, is, in this case, cat security. At other times, it's other people with whom he's communicating, as you'll see. So in chat number 3, what you see is at 6:47 a.m., a phone call is made by Mr. Matlala. And then at chat number 4, Mr. Matlala sends witness F a message saying, "Call me." That's at 6:52. In chat number 5, you see witness F calls Mr. Matlala, so there's a conversation there. And then at chat number 6, Mr. Matlala sends to witness F a voice note, which we'll play.
Where the box to where the box was held, please, sir. If you can just say the petrol where it was held to.
Could you hear that?
Yes.
Okay. And now if you look at page 333 of the chats, this is where there are chats between you and witness F. Page
Chats?
333.
Which page is that?
333.
333.
333.
Got it, Chair.
Okay, thanks. So if we go to 333, you'll see that this is the conversation between you and witness F. And I'm looking specifically at chat number 4. You've got it.
Chat number 4, yes, it's just a chat number 4, and then I see nothing.
You'll see a voice note again. It says opus. But first, so it's chat number 4, but the timestamp is important. It says 7:24. And if you recall what we looked at, and I can just display it again for you so you can see it for ease of reference. In the previous chat that we were looking at between witness F and Mr. Matlala, the voice note that we just played was sent at 7:24. Do you see that? 7:24:01.
Yes.
Now here at 3:33, on the same day at 7:24:55, so 7:24 and 55 seconds, witness F forwards the same voice note that he received from Mr. Matlala to you. And we'll just play it again so that this voice note, so you can see it's the same.
Before you do that, Ms. Hassan, if you would just say, what is 333? Whose downloads are this? Because we don't
Sorry, I
have it.
thought
You
I
haven't
did.
said- No, you haven't.
This is the conversation between witness F, the WhatsApp conversation between witness F and the
Okay.
witness.
That you have said. What I'm asking is, Are these downloads from witness F's phone
Ah,
or
sorry,
from
sorry to
Mr.
bother you,
Matlala's
sir.
phone?
Can you send me a photo to where the box to where?
These are downloads from witness F's phone. So all of the chats that we're going to are downloads from witness F's phone. But you'll see we go between conversations that witness F has with several people. And in this case, it is Mr. Matlala, and now we're going to what was downloaded from witness F's phone in relation to you, the conversations he had with you. Okay?
And regarding the point you made about possible interpositioning, General, my understanding of what Ms. Hassim is saying is that we have now stepped off the chats between witness F and Mr. Matlala. Now this is a different set of chats. Remember what I said about me searching for you and then finding only our chats. So now this is a different set of chats. And according to Ms. Hassim, these are now chats between witness F and you. Yes.
Would it help to just place 317 on the record, just so that he confirms his phone number? And then,
Thank you. Can you go to page 317, please? Sorry, Chair, my computer's just frozen here.
General, are you on 317?
I am.
While Ms. Hassim is sorting out